home. What you know? You know what? I feel real good because I just got my show back and everything. And I found a panda. As you know, in my last show we had some really rough stuff. But this panda looks like it was on a date. Shame. Date with a bee. She didn't go outside your own range. Oh, I'm sorry. You want to come back for more? So, this looks like a white-bellied panda bear. And today we have a very special guest for this show, and she's a panda specialist from God knows where. Here she is. She's Linda Marcazou.
Hi. Who better?
So what kind of panda is this exactly?
It's an African Ugazaga panda bear. And it lives in Canada. Feel better?
Canada. Well, it looks sort of immature. Is it immature?
Yes. I think it's around 5 or something.
5.
Feel better?
Okay. Well, do these fly?
Yes, I think they do.
Well,
Feel
let's
better?
check. Well then, looks like it doesn't fly, huh, Linda?
Feel better?
Well, I think we better take this panda back to its jolly old home. We'll have a jolly good time.
Yep.
Bye. This is all for Nathan Kalb's Nature Show.
Bye. Feel better?
It's Nathan's Kalb Nature Show. Do 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 do.